Two-factor authentication, not working on Yolt Save Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Yolt Save app, don't panic. It's one of the most common issues users face, and the solution is simpler than it looks. Most people get this wrong, but the real problem usually isn't with Yolt itself, it's with your phone settings or app configuration. Two-factor authentication, or FI, keeps your financial data secure by verifying that you're really the one logging in. When it stops working, the first step is to check your phone's date and time. Go into your device settings and make sure set time automatically is switched on. Time mismatches are the #1 cause of rejected security codes. Next, check for updates to the Yolt app. Outdated versions can lose connection with Yolt security servers. Head to your app store and make sure you're running the latest release. If your verification text or email isn't arriving, try turning off Wi-Fi, switching to mobile data, or disabling your VPN. These can sometimes block or delay automated messages from Yolt's authentication system. If you're using an authenticator app instead of text codes, open it and check its time synchronization settings. Most authenticator apps have a sync time for codes feature. Turning it on ensures your 6-digit codes are always valid. Still having trouble? Log out, uninstall the Yolt app, and reinstall it. This clears cached data and reconnects your phone securely to Yolt's servers. And if you've recently switched devices or phone numbers, you may need to reset your authentication method. App can't access two-factor, and follow the secure recovery steps on the app. Once your phone's time, app version, and network are all aligned, your two-factor authentication should start working again. Remember, this extra step may feel inconvenient, but it's one of the strongest defenses protecting your financial information in today's digital world.